Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi, my name is Sakti, and you?
Hi, my name is Tiara. Sakti?
Yes, Sakti.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. By the way, may I know where do you live? Surabaya?
Yes, I do live here.
Oh, I mean parts of Surabaya.
Oh, sorry. I live in East Kertajaya. Do you know it?
Kertajaya, I just know Galaxy Mall.
Ah, but do you know the specific location?
I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. And what about you?
I live in Surabaya too, in Nagal specifically.
Ah, Nagel, I know. I mean like the one near the Marvel City Mall?
Yes.
I see. Can you show me the specific direction from Marvel City Mall to your house?
If you want to know, if you want to know my home from Marvel, you just can straight. You just can straight from Marvel City until you can see a railway.
Ah, the
Ah,
railway, yeah.
Right before the railway, there's an alley.
Ah, there's an alley.
You can turn left. My house is in the alley.
Ah, in the alley. What number?
19.
19.
19.
Okay, I see, I see.
Yeah, do you have any plan right after class?
Right after class. Wait, let me think. I think so far I don't have any plans.
Yeah.
Maybe just, going home and do some activities, maybe do some cookings because
Cooking.
lately I do like making some foods. And the recipe I look on the TikTok.
Oh,
Yes, and maybe I will watch some movies on my
movie?
iPad. Yes.
Do you like movie?
Yes, I do love movies. Do you have
Oh.
any favorite movies?
My favorite movie maybe Jurassic Park.
Oh,
Jurassic Park.
I see.
In Love. In Love. You know In Love?
No, not really. I don't. I think I don't like any romance.
Oh, you don't like
movies.
romance.
Yes, I do. I prefer
Genre?
like
What genre you like?
genre. I do prefer
Horror?
fantasy, like Harry
Oh,
Potter.
fantasy. Harry Potter.
Yes, and Narnia.
You have
something
Harry
like
Potter book?
that. I don't have any Harry Potter book because I start liking Harry Potter from the movies.
Oh, from the movie.
Yes, not from the book.
Oh,
But
okay.
I really want to read the books, but I think it's too thick. So
Oh.
I think I don't have any time to read the book.
To read the book,
Yeah.
okay? Oh, I know.
That's all about me. And what about you? Do you have any plans after class?
After class, in
Yeah.
every day I go to archery field. Archery field in Kertajaya.
Oh,
You know?
I know. Behind
Koni.
the basketball.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
I go to the archery field and practice
Archery.
archery. Ah, you know?
Yeah, I know. Because I do
Ah.
some training there. I really love to jog.
Jogging.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I
I
saw
am-
some archery targets there.
Ah.
Oh, you're.
I'm athlete.
Oh,
athlete,
you're an
athlete.
archer. I see.
Athlete archer.
That's so cool, by the way. Because every time I jog there, I just saw the target and
Yeah.
I don't see any archer there.
Ah.
So would you like to someday? Would you like to try to teach me about archery? I mean, the technique or the equipment. Like,
Cool.
Can you explain to me what is archery and what bow do you use?
Yeah.
Or the target or anything else?
Maybe in archery, we have three category.
True category.
Three category. First compound bow, vita or recurve,
Recurve.
and standard bow.
Standard bow.
For the basic, if you want to training archery, you can try with the standard bow. Standard bow for basic, for training your form technique. If you want to try, I can teach you.
Oh, really?
I can teach you.
Is it heavy, or can I just try the
I don't know.
easiest one?
I don't know. But maybe little bit sick, little bit sick. But if you can feel your technique or whatever, you can what you feel good.
About the technique.
Yes.
Because I think archery is all about technique, right?
All about technique, because archery without equipment, nothing.
Okay. What about the equipment? Should I bring from my home, or
No.
what? Because I don't have any equipment.
Yeah.
Archery equipment.
In the archery field,
Yes. You have for me, or your club maybe?
no, my club
Yes.
have the store
Okay.
to sell the bow,
So
and-
I have to bring some money, or you can
Sure.
just talk to your coach.
Ah,
and
in the
borrow-
first-
I can borrow some.
in first you can borrow my bow. After you doing good in archery, in basic, you can buy the
But I
bow.
think you're so professional. Your bow is so heavy. I cannot
No,
use it.
I have standard bow.
Oh, you have the bow for the beginner.
Yes,
Okay,
I have
see.
a lot bow.
Oh, you have a lot of
A lot.
bow. Okay.
Right now I use recurve.
Okay.
Recurve
Do you have the compound one too?
compound. I think no. I I think compound is too high
Too high.
for me.
So it's a different class.
Different class.
Compound and recurve.
Compound and recurve.
Ah.
Compound is new bow
Oh,
is
I
new
see.
bow, and with the high performance and technology.
Okay, I see. So compound is easier than recurve.
Easier.
Okay, I see. Do you have any competition after this or before this?
Before this,
Okay.
I go to Porprov.
Oh, Pro.
Yeah,
I see.
Pro. You know?
I know.
Ah.
Because like last week,
Yes,
people in Surabaya talks about Pro a lot.
sure.
Yeah.
Surabaya,
I think it's a big event.
it's a big event in
It's Java.
East Java, right?
Oh, I see. So you're competing with Surabaya.
Yes,
Oh, I see. Do you win the competition?
I win the bronze.
Oh, congratulations!
Thank you.
It's the recurve or standard bow?
In the standard bow.
Okay.
In the recurve, I lost my feeling.
Okay, let's go. So, can you teach me some of the archery activities, maybe?
Of course. What about the Sunday? What time you can come to the field?
Sunday. I think I'm free the whole day. It's morning or afternoon. I think I don't have any problem with it.
Okay. Let's do it Sunday morning then. Can I borrow your phone?
My phone?
Yes.
What for? Here you go.
Excuse me.
What did you type?
Wait. I just need to save my phone number here.
Okay, I save it. Okay.
By the way, what is your favorite food in Surabaya?
My favorite food.
Yeah.
I think all this time I really love meatballs. You know,
Meatballs?
So
Meatball?
yes, Meatballs.
Meatball.
Do you love it too?
I love it too, but not really.
Not really. So what's your favorite one?
My favorite is fried rice.
Oh, fried rice.
Yeah, simply.
Yeah, it's Indonesian food.
Indonesian food, right?
So, you know, everyone outside Indonesia knows
Yeah,
fried rice.
yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, you have any plan tonight?
Tonight, I think no. Why?
Let's go eat some meatball.
Meatballs?
With me?
Really?
Really?
You say you don't really like it. Is it okay?
But you like, right?
I do like it.
Ah,
Okay, then you can just text me later, maybe.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have to go to the field, right?
Oh, right now?
Right now.
Okay, okay. Go ahead. It's okay.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yes, anjing, mantap.
11 menit.